Opera House, the Royal Opera House. I've always wondered why we don't do more events here. It's such an iconic property. I'm so happy Mami is opening this year at the Royal Opera House. It's fantastic. Super excited.
भाग्यवश कई फिल्में नहीं दिखा पाएंगे यहाँ पर you feel sad about this, like across the border films from across the border.
Uh, it's sad, but I think there is a lot of pressure, um, and I think that unfortunately, cinema and culture will always remain soft targets. Having said that, I do believe that there will always be a price to pay and an outcome of aggression, and this is the outcome of that aggression. I think India has tried over the years to maintain peace and accord peace, but I think it's just made it impossible to stay that
वहाँ पे
way.
भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है कि हमारे जो शोज हैं या फिल्में हैं उनको नहीं दिखाया जा रहा है ये किस तरह से उनकी आपकी
देखिए जब ट्रेड बंद हो जाएगा, when we stop all economic exchange, that's when we the people of both nations will know that there is a serious stand being taken. I think that stopping cultural exchange is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more that remains to be understood and decided upon. I don't believe, I'm not against the argument that India needs to isolate Pakistan in making them understand that they cannot support any kind of terrorism, that it is not just hurting their own people, it's also hurting their neighboring nations, and they have to act upon it. It's a very important thing to build pressure on the nation, but I think a very strong message will be to sever all economic ties, to sever all trade, to say that stop showing films and stop having any kind of cultural exchange is, I feel, just like a surface solution. It's not the real solution.
Yeah, there's something I want to ask you. Silver's doing brand endorsements is a common thing in India. Do you think the brand value or the popularity of the star is affected because they are removed from the as the brand ambassador?
I think, fortunately and unfortunately, public memories seem to be quite short. I said fortunately and unfortunately, public memory seems to be quite short. It works for and against. I know Anurag really well, and I think that the intention there was not to put an individual under harm's way. I feel that he is one of those personalities that has always treated men and women equally. And I think the intention really was to address what he was trying to address, and I don't think he perceived it as a threat to the individual. Had he perceived it as one, he would not have done it. That I'm pretty sure of. Thank you. I still can't believe it's been 15 years of रहना है तेरे दिल में. मैं जब मैडी से मिली वो वीडियो शूट करने के लिए, तो हम दोनों हंस रहे थे. He was 32 at the time, I was 19. I was a little baby. Time has really flown, but the love for that film has been extraordinarily overwhelming, and we're just really grateful to everyone for the love that they've given us. And I think as actors, we're really lucky when we get to be a part of films like that we're remembered for. That's a special privilege. Thank you.
इस बार फिल्में देखने का बड़ा शौक है. That's what I'm expecting to see. If you ask me what's happening tonight, I have no idea. I'm actually really excited to see the refurbished Opera House. I'm a big architecture buff. I'm a big buff of interiors of the how do I put the classic heritage of our city. So I'm so thrilled to see what they've done. I can't wait to get inside.
दंगल का जो ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ
जी हाँ, नहीं देखा लेकिन अच्छी होगी. मतलब I didn't know it had come out.
कुछ फिल्में मावी फिल्म फेस्टिवल का भाग नहीं बन पाएंगी
I'm sorry.
अक्रॉस द बॉर्डर की फिल्में हैं बन नहीं पाएंगी दिखाई नहीं जा पाएंगी कुछ आप ये व्यक्त करना चाहेंगे या मतलब
I'm not following. What are you saying? Oh, you're trying to get me beaten up. Awesome. Thank you. That's what was missing in my life. I have many views. My concern is if I voice those views, I'm going to have people come and try to burn my house down. Really, that's like the 45th worst thing that could possibly happen. It's very far down my list of things that I would like to see happen. I don't want people to come to my house and burn it down. I don't want people to threaten me. I don't want people to come and beat me up. All of these are things I want to avoid. So my opinions I will keep to myself. Thank you guys. जी? धर्म पत्नी मेरी मेरे घर पे. नहीं, she has not come today. जी? Hopefully, yeah, you will. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. Even more. Which mic will you use? Hello. Hey, look at that. No.
Live conversation.
You're interrupting a live interview, man. What's going on? Okay, we'll come back.
How can you even hear anything?
अमिताभ बच्चन आज इस जगह का उद्घाटन कर रहे हैं वापस से उद्घाटन कर रहे हैं आप विचार मावी फिल्म फेस्टिवल के बारे में अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे
आप तो देख ही रहे हैं रौनक. तो मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल तो बिल्कुल मतलब सभी इंडिया के जितने फेस्टिवल थे सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पर रोशनी आ रही है. क्योंकि एक तो जो दो औरतें हैं जो इसके पीछे लगी हुई हैं बहुत पावरफुल औरतें हैं, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग औरतें हैं. अनुपमा चोपड़ा और किरण राव, उन्होंने जी जान से इसके लिए मेहनत की है और एक बहुत अच्छी ज्यूरी, बहुत अच्छा लाइनअप, हर तरह की फिल्में हैं. और मेरे ख्याल से बॉम्बे, मुंबई कहना चाहिए, नहीं तो मार पड़ेगी, लेकिन मुंबई के लोग तरस रहे हैं, भूखे हैं अच्छी फिल्म देखने के लिए, क्योंकि हमें ज़्यादातर सिर्फ कमर्शियल फिल्में देखने को मिलती हैं. और यहाँ एक मौका है अलग अलग तरह की फिल्में दुनिया भर से देखने के लिए. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ रियल ट्रीट.
All of my experiences of work with him. So I know that there's going to be a lot of stories in there that I don't know. So it's really kind of like discovering aspects of my family.
आज आप वो सब बातें छोड़ ही दीजिए. जी, मैं मंटो पे फिल्म बना रही हूँ और मेरे ख्याल से मंटो बहुत ही रेलेवेंट है हमारे इस दौर के लिए. वो फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के बहुत बड़े चैम्पियन थे. वो अपने आप को कोई एक्टिविस्ट या पॉलिटिकल आदमी नहीं समझते थे. उनका सिर्फ ये कहना था कि जो मैं देखता हूँ वो मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ. और बल्कि वो तो ये कहते थे कि अगर आपको मेरी कहानियाँ बर्दाश्त नहीं है तो वो इसलिए क्योंकि ये ज़माना ही नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त है. तो आई थिंक इज़ एक्सट्रीमली रेलेवेंट. और देखते हैं अब अगले साल इस वक्त शायद मामी में हमारी फिल्म आप देख सकें. See, I am a firm believer of peace. Now it might almost sound that how can you know, peace also has to be traded with something. But I'm not. I'm a bit of a fanatic about peace. I think anything that brings peace is most important. I think we've got to have sane voices. You know, we've got to keep art as a sacred space, because art through all times has given a voice to different things. So let's not malign art. Let's not make it too narrow. And you know, let's give it a platform. It's a balm. जैसे कहते हैं ना, कोई अगर जख्म होता है तो मरहम का काम करती है आर्ट. आप उसमें भी अगर उसको भी जख्म बना देंगे तो फिर कैसे चलेगा. Thank you.
That's how the generic statement I make. I say that only selected people, but the question is, who are you wearing?
I need to check that. Am I right? I'm right. I'm sorry. I'm just spinning around.
feeling the energy, I guess.
But I love Star